In 1999, Parma lifted the UEFA Cup with a squad that boasted some of the world's top players. Gianluigi Buffon, Fabio Cannavaro, Lilian Thuram, Juan Sebastian Veron and Hernan Crespo were all part of that team. Today, Parma's current players have not received a salary in months. On Friday afternoon, Italy's top clubs voted to give Parma a €5 million emergency fund in order to help the club finish the current Serie A season. Parma are currently bottom in the league and were forced to postpone their last two fixtures at home to Udinese and away to Genoa, with the club unable to pay for services such as security and electricity. The club's debts are estimated at nearly €100 million, with a bankruptcy hearing currently set for March 19th. Meanwhile, Parma's former president Tommaso Ghirardi and ex-general director Pietro Leonardi were placed under investigation by judicial authorities for suspected bankruptcy fraud. In conjunction with the investigation, Italian fiscal police have confiscated records related to Parma from club headquarters and the league and federation offices.